Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by picking the new wake time and bedtime, then commit to them for at least 7 days. Once done, arrange bright morning light within 30 minutes of waking because it anchors your circadian rhythm. Make sure to remove screens and stimulating tasks 1 hour before bed. Use a 30-60-minute wind-down routine of dim lights, calm reading, or stretching. You'll feel groggy at first. Push through that night because consistency is the mechanism that shifts your internal clock. You now implement the gradual shift. Move your bedtime and wake time by 15-30 minutes every 2-3 days to avoid sleep debt and extreme fatigue. Meanwhile, align daytime habits. Exercise earlier so body temperature and arousal drop by night, and avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Use naps sparingly. Keep them under 20 minutes. Make sure to eat lighter in the evening and skip alcohol near bedtime because these disrupt sleep architecture. By managing these variables, you finalize the reset by holding the new schedule for 7-14 days after you reach it. Consistency cements the change. Once done, keep a basic sleep log to notice patterns and adjust small habits. If you face restless nights, add targeted relaxation, deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or steady white noise, and make sure your bedroom stays cool and dark. If you slip, don't shift bedtimes later. Instead, get up at the target wake time and use bright morning light to recover the rhythm quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.